Hi, I'm Vector, and this is the game that I'm currently working on, a 2D skill-based platformer. And today, I have a quick update about the game's title. So, I never really had a name for this game, but the original title for the Game Jam game was Bind, which was the name I was using so far. But now that we worked more on the narrative and the gameplay, we have a new title, which is the Tale of Lumi. So here's why we changed the title. Firstly, we didn't really have a title before, so Bind always felt a little bit too generic. Secondly, the game's narrative. So the base storyline is that Atlas, which is the name of the main character, is a Lumi, a species of beings that protect the connection between worlds. The game starts with Atlas descending to the kingdom of Lumi that has been taken by the god Chaos. And Atlas starts his epic journey to defeat Chaos and restore peace for the kingdom of Lumi. Changing the game's title was a big decision for me, but I believe it is the right one. But what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments. And that's it for this week, guys. I have been working really hard on a lot of different things for this game, and on the next devlog, I will share a little bit more about all those updates. Thanks for watching and take care.